Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vanilla loaf cake. Let's get started. The reason I couldn't upload is I had my exams, but now I'm back. I'll post regularly. For this, take 100 grams butter and then whisk this well with an electric beater. You can do it with a whisk, but it'll take a lot of time. To this, here I have 3 by 4th cup of sugar. I'm going to be adding this in batches in 2 to 3 times. Now scrape the bowl of your sides and gradually add your sugar. Make sure it's powdered sugar. If it's granule sugar, then after you bake you'll get the sugar crystals in your mouth and you may not like it. So make sure you add powdered sugar in batches. Cream this well together with your electric beater. Now here I'm adding in about 4 to 5 teaspoons of milk, or you can add 1/4 cup in batches. If you add milk, it will make it very smooth and silky. Now again with your electric beater, I'm using this middle speed. You can use a high speed as well. After you cream this well together, I'm adding 2 eggs. Eggs is a must in this recipe, then only you'll get it spongy and very soft and moist inside. Eggs also help it have a great texture for the cake. After you add the eggs, you might feel it a bit curdly, but then after you add your flour and all, it will be fine. Here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida. I am adding all at a time. You can add it in batches as well. If you directly put your electric beater, this might go all over your kitchen. So once, make sure you mix it with your spatula. Here I have another 1/4 cup milk. Make sure you mix it once like this with the blades without switching it on, and then turn it on and then whisk until you get a smooth and silky batter. And you can add more milk if needed. Check your consistency and adjust the quantity of milk. So I've added 1/4 milk in 2 batches. My batter is ready. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. The reason we didn't add this in the starting is it might lose all its power. So now here I have 1 cap of clear vanilla extract. You can add pineapple extract or any essence you have at home. Now blend this well together, and now I'm folding this with my spatula. You can see the consistency, it looks super smooth. Here I have a greased tin. I'm using this bread kind of tin because I like it, because this is a vanilla loaf cake. So now I'm pouring all your batter into this loaf. Tap it 2 to 3 times and then we're ready to bake. Spread it out evenly after you put it into the pan, and then tap 2 to 3 times on your counter so that there's no air bubbles in it. Now the batter is ready. For extra decoration and taste, I'm adding these rainbow sprinkles that I had. This is optional. If you just like plain cake, you can bake it. You can add choco chips or anything of your choice. I had these rainbow sprinklers, so I added them. Now this is ready to bake. I'm tapping this 2 times and baking it in an OTG. This is American Micronic. You have 2 rods for this, and you have 2 knobs to adjust each rod. So here I set the top rod at 160 degrees or 120 degrees and bottom rod at 180 degrees Celsius. Preheat for 10 minutes and bake for 30 to 35 minutes. And enjoy! Now I have demolded and sliced it like this. If you like this video, give it a big thumb and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss a video. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.